In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GoHighLevel email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to start a new campaign, pick a template, and make it your own so it looks clean, on-brand, and ready to engage your audience. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to Marketing. This is your central hub for anything promotional, and it keeps your outreach tools organized in one place. From there, go to Emails. This area groups everything related to email design and distribution, so you're working where all the core features live. Next, open Campaigns. Think of this as your workspace for building and managing email initiatives. Campaigns help you keep related messages together, track performance, and maintain a consistent look and tone across communications. Now choose New to create a fresh campaign. This spins up a blank canvas where you'll define the structure and style of your message. Instead of starting from scratch, select Email Marketing Templates. Templates are designed to save time while following proven formatting patterns, ideal spacing, scannable sections, and clear calls to action, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. When the template library loads, pick Choose Template on the design that best fits your goal. If you're sharing updates or educational content, a newsletter-style layout with multiple sections might work best. For a promotion or announcement, a bold header with a single standout button can drive attention to your main offer. Prioritize readability and balance. White space, clear headlines, and concise copy always help. With a template in place, customize it to reflect your brand and message. Update the headline to make the value crystal clear right away. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand guidelines so your audience instantly recognizes you. Replace placeholder images with high-quality visuals that reinforce the message, and make sure buttons use action-focused language. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and use subheadings to guide readers through the flow. As you refine the content, double-check that every link goes to the right destination, and keep your call to action above the fold as well as at the end for those who scroll. Make sure the layout remains clean on mobile by avoiding overly wide images and lengthy blocks of text. Maintain essential footer elements like unsubscribe and contact details so your campaign stays compliant and trustworthy. That's it. Your GoHighLevel email campaign is set up with a template tailored to your brand and ready for next steps. Keep your message clear, your design consistent, and your call to action unmistakable, and you'll set yourself up for strong engagement.